Welcome back to the gaming family. In this video, we'll talk about is it possible to make guests on Roblox? We will figure out if it's doable or not, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's start by opening your browser in your PC. Next, go to roblox.com and log in. Now, in this block, it says the guest feature was created to test newcomers' Roblox game before making an account. However, some players are exploiting this feature and do a glitch which is prohibited by the game. So to prevent that, they just patch it. When a player hovered the mouse over a guest image when viewing game servers, the name used to appear as friendly guest. This was changed to read a Roblox player before the guest feature was removed. So to include, make guests on Roblox is not possible anymore. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.